Thank you, Ms. Robotham. Honorable Colonel Charles, I'm not sure if he has arrived as yet, the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries. Mr. Michael Bench, and all the regional directors, sorry I don't have all the names. Mr. Everton Anderson, the CEO of the National Health Fund. Rabbi Yitzchak Walderman from the MedGive Foundation. Mayor Maraj, the mayor of Maypen, and our own Bill Tinglin, all the persons who are on. We have our Dr. Karen Dunkley, Dr. Robert Clark, who's the co-chair of the health sector, Dr. Gary Rule, Dr. Claudette McFarker from the Jamaica Nurses Group of New York, all the others. You're all very important, but time will not permit me to call the names. I am Claudette Powell, and I'm chair of the Jamaica Diaspora Health Sector in the Northeast USA. And I'm so privileged to be asked to bring greetings, not just from the health sector, but from the Jamaica Diaspora Northeast here. Before I can proceed, it will be very important for me to say, persons always say, what is that? What is the Jamaica Diaspora Northeast? And give me a few seconds to define our role. The Jamaica Diaspora Northeast is under the Global Jamaica, that is organized under the Global Jamaica Diaspora Council, which sits under the auspices of the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. Dr. Karen Dunkley is the representative here in the Northeast, which represents a think tank comprised of 14 states, with state chairs and sector leaders, of which I am the chair for the health. The health sector is comprised of individuals, organizations, and friends of Jamaica, such as Rabbi Waldman, who have similar interests to improve and to contribute to the health system, particularly the public health system in Jamaica. So the mission of the health sector is to support healthcare program and policy implementation. And how do we do this? Philanthropy, volunteerism, advocacy, collaboration, and partnerships are some of the core principles that are practiced to achieve the mission. The handover ceremony today of MedGive's donation to Jamaica is a testimony of the core principles. It will take about a half a day for me to let you know all that the health sector has been doing for Jamaica. But I'm so happy to say that with the number of equipment and supplies that have been donated by various organizations, we are very pleased to have Rabbi Waldman and Bill Tinglin from the MedGive Foundation to be helping us to reach or to achieve our mission. But I want to highlight one thing that the health sector has recently done, among the many other things, is a historical medical mission that was led by Dr. Trevor Dixon from the Georgia Foundation, with other partners such as Dr. Robert Clark, Dr. Gary Rule, which brought volunteers of nurses and physicians to the Savannah Lamar Hospital, staffing that hospital for 2 months. But not only staffing, we also donated equipment and supplies, such as MedGive is about to do today. Rabbi Walderman, the donation of medical supplies and equipment to all the hospitals in Jamaica will be saving lives. And this has come at a time that we're all very in need. Bill Tinglin, a member of the Diaspora Health Sector, we thank you for inviting the MedGive Foundation to our family. Rabbi, the Jamaica Diaspora Northeast is truly grateful for the partnership that has benefited the health system in Jamaica. We cannot do this work without donors such as you. And I want to end by saying thank you very much. But before I proceed, there's one person I must mention. I don't know if he's there in Jamaica in the audience, but Mr. Courtney Cephas, who is the director for the Health and Life Wellness Foundation as far as philanthropy. And we cannot do this, even the donation that's happening today, Mr. Cephas has to be contacted. He has to take charge. And we are just very pleased and thankful when we talk about collaboration, that we have collaborated so well with the ministry. And it is so interesting. I prepared this morning and did not know who the dignitaries would be. And I tell you, I think I know everyone. So that is to show you that the Northeast diaspora or wings have spread far, right across the globe. And we have established the collaboration, communication, and partnership, mainly with the Health and Wellness Foundation in Jamaica and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade. I thank you all for joining us. And again, thanks to Rabbi Walderman and the MedGive Foundation.